Shimajiro! Let's play together! All aboard the Hana bus!
Shimajiro, the bus is almost here. You'd better hurry up. You're going to miss the bus.
Hurry, Shimajiro! Yes, I'm coming! Oh, I hope I can still catch the bus. I made it! Bye, Mommy!
Have a great day, Shimajiro.
Good morning, Shimajiro. Good morning.
Hey, Shimajiro! Great to see
How are
you.
you guys today? Shimajiro!
What did you have for breakfast?
Thank you so much, as always.
Uh-huh. Hana wants to go on bus.
What?
Oh, dear. You're staying home with Mommy, Hannah.
Oh, poor Hannah. Oh. I know. I'm home.
Hi, Shimajiro.
Hey, Mom.
Okay, I'll take Hannah to the park later on.
And bring some snacks, too. Beep, beep! The Hana bus is here!
I'm your driver today, Hannah.
And I will be the bus guide. All right, Hannah. Hop in. Okay.
Aren't you lucky, Hannah?
All aboard the Hannah bus. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
The next stop is Mountainside.
Mountain?
We're here. We're off. Tunnel coming up ahead.
Yay! And now, let's climb to the top of the mountain. Mr. Sun! Yay! So high! Wow!
Hannah!
Were you scared in there, Hannah? No, not scared at
All right, Shimajiro. I need to go shopping, so please take care of Hannah, okay?
all. Uh-huh.
Leave her to us. We're the taking care of Hannah pros.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now, let's take off for the next bus stop.
Yes, please. Hey, Hannah, I bet you'll love all the other bus stops, too. You'll see.
Beep, beep.
Now we're going to just stop here and listen. Can you hear the river running nearby?
We're at Riverside.
That's a pretty stone. More. More stones. Hannah, we have to go now. Not yet. But the next bus stop is so much fun. Not yet. If you don't hurry, we'll leave you behind. No. Just wait a little bit, Shimajiro. Hannah, just take your time, okay?
Yep. The Hannah bus won't go anywhere without Hannah on board.
Fine. Now we're at the resting place bus stop. No, it's not. It's the snacking place.
So that's why you were in such a big hurry earlier.
Hey, let's eat now. I'd love to. For Shimajiro. Oh? For Nikki. Mimi.
Oh.
Floppy. You were picking these stones for us? Yep. Wow, this is lovely, Hannah.
Thank you so much.
I'll take good care of it. I shouldn't have said I was going to leave you behind, Hannah. The next stop's the last one, so you can take all the time you want to get there, okay? Beep, beep.
So much for our work.
I don't know if Hannah will have a chance to see the last stop now. Wait, I'll go get it. Thank you, Nikki. What a beautiful field of flowers. Lots of butterflies. Look, some clovers. Do any of them have 4 leaves? 4-leaved clovers are supposed to bring you luck. If you find one, something good might happen.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm gonna look for one.
Hannah, too. Then me, too.
3 leaves. 3 leaves again.
I can't find any 4-leaved ones. Yeah. Oh, Hannah, are you sleepy? Hannah, not sleepy. But where is Nikki? Here I am. And the straw bed is ready. Okay, we're at the nap time bus stop. Hannah, play more. It's nap time, Hannah, you know. No. Hannah. Play more. Hey, I found one. A 4-leaf clover.
Wow!
Huh?
If you find a 4-leaf clover, something good might happen.
Wow, I'm looking forward to that. I think it's already happened.
Huh?
It sure has. Hannah must have had a great time. An Adventure in Daydream Forest, Part 2. Hi, everyone. We go to Daydream Forest all the time, but we've never been beyond Snowman Rock where some people say a monster lives. We heard that strange things sometimes happen there. So we formed a team to explore the deepest part of the forest, but with so many paths twisting and turning, we got lost.
What should we do?
Hello, children. All fine, I hope.
Mr. Rorson!
Thank you, Cricket.
When Mr. Rorson used his bug jabber and found out that we were lost in the forest, he came to rescue us. What's wrong? We thought we were saved, but...
Gravy, it's broken. Do any of
Now we have no idea if we're ever getting out of Daydream Forest. What do we do?
Is Shimajiro supposed to be out this late?
Well, he left the house really excited about exploring some place or another.
Shimajiro, explore?
Well, I hope he's having a great time.
There! Oh, it's working! Children, we're going home!
Is it fixed?
Are you sure?
Sure as can be. Now, what are the insects talking about? Be quiet! I'm sorry. I just got a little surprised because so many insects were talking at once.
The mic flew that way. Oh.
Oh, It's not yours! Come back! Oh, what do I do? Without the mic, I won't know which way to go.
If I knew this was going to happen, I would have never gone exploring.
Mom and Dad must be so worried.
And I'm getting hungry. Huh? Smells good. This way.
What is it? Flappy!
It's this way. Just follow me. Here, I knew it.
Huh? Wow!
That's a rare mushroom.
Wow, you can find mushrooms by its smell?
Mushroom? Well, I just smelled the octopus pancake puff I dropped before. There. Just as I left it. See?
That makes more sense now.
Ah! Come back here.
Great! That means we're near the entrance now. Right, Mr. Rorson? Huh? Mr. Rorson? Where did he go?
Come back! Stop! I'm glad the leaves softened my fall. Hello? Can you hear me? Come help me out! Hello?
Mr. Rorson, where are you? I'm so tired now.
Let's just stay in one place and hope the monster of the forest comes along to throw us out.
You can't just give up. That's right. If we work together, we'll figure something out. Oh, look! It's Mr. Rorson's mic. Hi, insects. Would any of you be able to take us to where Mr. Rorson is? I can hear crickets. Yeah. I can take you there. Really? Thank you.
No way.
Mr. Rorson!
That sounds like Shimajiro. Hello? I'm in here.
He's in there! Mr. Rorson, are you okay?
Yes, I'm all right, kids.
That's a deep pit. We're not going to be able to help him out. Don't be like that. I'm sure there's something we can do. Do we have rope?
What? Rope? Why would I have any?
Oh, I have an idea. Huh? We'll tie these vines together. Good idea. Tie them like this and ta-da! It's a vine rope. Mr. Rorson, we're going to get you out now.
Thank you, children. Ooh.
Mr. Rorson, climb now.
All right, here I go. Steady, steady. Almost there. One more. There.
Yay!
Oh, what a relief.
Mr. Rorson, here.
Oh, exactly what we need. Now, insects, lead us to the exit.
We've never been out of this forest. All I know is where to find flowers with tasty nectar.
Yes.
What's wrong?
It seems these insects have never left the forest. All they seem to know is where to find flowers with tasty nectar.
Flowers with tasty nectar? Oh, they might be talking about the field of flowers in this picture. We're almost there!
Wait a minute. Are you saying that Shimajiro has not come home yet?
That's right.
That's terrible! That means they are still lost in Daydream Forest! It's completely dark now.
Oh dear, we won't be able to see which way we need to go.
And we were so close. Look, the moss is glowing. Hey, it's the pine tree. Oh, yeah, we made it.
Shimajiro, where are you?
At Baby Lid, Floppy too.
Nikki, where are you?
Look, the exit. We're getting out.
That sounds like Shimajiro.
And like all the others too.
This way, children!
We're out. We did it. Hi, everyone.
A happy ending.
Wasn't that a big, exciting adventure? For real? Yeah.
In a way, you could say Daydream Forest helped us find the way out.
Yeah, there wasn't even a monster. Just a whole bunch of friendly animals and plants that were keeping us safe the whole time.